Hey everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we will be discussing about the Elastic Beanstalk's web versus worker environments. Now, the web environment, as the name suggests, in a very high level overview, web environments are the ones which actually contains the web servers like Apache, you have Nginx, and these environments directly deal with the customer's request. So if you'll see over here, you have an Elastic load balancer and you have a set of web environments. Now, whenever a customer would send a request to your application, these requests will directly go to your web environments where your actual web server resides. So this environment can contain web server. It can also contains the application who will be responding to your users. Now, on the other hand, when it comes to the Elastic Beanstalk's worker environments, the worker environment generally they do not directly deal with the customer's request. So that part is being handled by the web tier. However, the worker environment they are generally used to offload the long running jobs from the web tier. So if you look into this architecture, you have the web tier on the left and the web tier is directly connected to the internet. So all the customers requests would be received by the web tier. Now, a web tier and a worker tier, they are generally connected via a SQS queue. So, whatever jobs that web tier has, it can post it to the SQS queue, and the worker tier will get those job requests or whatever messages that have been pushed from the SQS queue, and it will perform certain operations. Now, one example that I can give you for web tier versus worker tier is that let's assume that there is an application which converts a video from one format to other format. So the customer would directly upload the video to the Elastic Beanstalk via the web tier. That video gets uploaded maybe to a S3 bucket, or if it is some kind of a text document and not video, it would go to a SQS queue. Now the worker tier which are running behind the scenes, it would fetch the message either from the SQS queue or the S3 bucket. It would convert that specific format to the one requested by the customer, and then it would give it back to a web tier or directly to the customer. So this is what the worker environment is all about. Now, when it comes to worker environment, they generally deal with auto scaling, CloudWatch and SQS queue. So this is where their general functioning lies into. So this is the high level overview about web versus worker environments. Although this is not that critical for exam, however, you might find certain questions where the reference to web versus worker environments is questioned, and this is the reason why I decided to have a small video on that. So this is it about today's video. I hope this has been informative for you, and I look forward to see you in the next section.